Design-wise, the 2024 Lincoln Nautilus will bring no major change. This nameplate has been in use since 2019, though we could say that this SUV is a little bit older, considering that the mechanical aspect is pretty much the same as in the predecessor, the MKX, which has produced between 2016 and 2018. All in all, you may count on a familiar design, which follows the brand's contemporary design language. It looks elegant and quite appealing, and we are pretty sure that the classic design approach will ensure this model's aging with style. Interior. The same thing goes for interior design. We are about to see a familiar design which came with the 2019 model year. For that occasion, we saw a completely new dashboard with the improved build quality, nicer materials, and new tech features. Aging. So, base models will continue with a 2.0-liter turbo 4, which puts out around 250 horsepower. That's plenty enough for decent driving dynamics, but you can also opt for a more powerful 2.7-liter V6, which puts out 335 horsepower and offers notably better performance. Both engines come in pair with an 8-speed automatic transmission, which does a pretty good job too. 2024 Lincoln Nautilus release date and price. Considering that there are no bigger changes to happen, we presume that the 2024 Lincoln Nautilus will hit the market sometime in the last quarter of 2023. Also, the price should remain pretty much the same as for the current model, which starts at around $44,000.